All right, welcome back to Slim's Collection Food and More. So what we have here, this is the retro Polaroid from Lego, and this comes with a ×0 Supercolor SX-70 land film Polaroid. Very cool. And inside this one has three films. There you go. And that's the back right there. 2024 Lego. Very cool. And this is the Polaroid right here. Let's take a closer look. So this one here. So you got a Polaroid land camera. Got the red button. That's for the spot that you are supposed to press to make it shoot. You got a dial knob here, but this one doesn't work. And you also has a lens look through in the back right here. Very cool. You can see look through the lens there. So cool. Yeah, not bad. So that is the Polaroid. The retro Polaroid. Very cool. Let's open up this one here. This one opens up the front. There you go. So it comes right there. All right, right there. You put it in the slot. You lift it up, and it clicks. Then you just aim, look through the lens, and shoot. And there you go. It pops out. And that is the film. Very cool. All right, let's take this for a spin. And get a nice 360 view. Put this back in the slot right there. These are the three films. There you go. All right. So there you have it. So that is the retro Polaroid. Let's give this a spin. Alright, so that is the retro Polaroid from Lego. Hope you guys like it. Very cool. And nice looking camera. Alright guys, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye-bye.